My room is totally red right now from the dust storm. This is Arizona for you. So strong and powerful. So dynamic. Monsoon season is arriving. It's officially here. Oh, how fun. The sky is just filled. Filled with dust. You know, it's funny because I got a couple of dust storm warnings on my phone, but I didn't really take them very seriously. I didn't even realize that they were going to be this extreme. So in the past we have had just little dust storm warnings, and they haven't been as incredible as this one today. July the 3rd, the day before the independence of the United States of America's birthday comes to pass. Happy 4th of July, everybody! The beauties within the nature of the desert. Forever shall the winds never remain silent.